Hi, thanks for watching. This is a quick DIY video on how to restore a wooden chessboard using supplies that you can get from your local home hardware store. It's a great weekend project and I hope you enjoy testing it out on your own chessboard and checkerboards. These are the supplies that you'll need. I chose brushes, but spray paint can also be an easier way if you have a steadier hand. As you can see, the board that I'm trying to restore has several imperfections, chips, cuts, gouges, things like that. And so I used a fine grit sandpaper to first smooth the board and bring it back to a flat, even surface. And this is what it looked like after I sanded it. These next few pictures show the actual condition of the board, and as you can see, there were water stains, scratches, digs, gouges, all those kinds of things. So I wasn't sure what the outcome would be. After I decided to do this, I took this fine grit paper and I sanded it. But the water stains weren't quite coming off, so I used a harder grit sandpaper to get rid of the bumps, and I ended up taking all of it off using that because the results were so good. And so this is what the board looked like back to its usual state. And then I painted the entire board white first. Once the white dried, I then taped off squares that were the width of the frog tape, and I then painted the squares black. And once the black dried, I then retaped the entire board, retaping over the squares that had dried black, so that you can then create the checkered effect. I repeat, tape over the squares that have dried black. And then what you'll do at that point is you're going to spray paint everything black again. So as you can see here, this is the second retape, and I've spray painted this time everything black because the spray paint gave a more even finish. So once this black dries, you can then remove the tape, and this is a result that you have. You have a checkerboard effect. It's not going to be perfect, but you can always go back with a marker and pen and straighten up the edges. I then taped off the edges and left a little margin on the outside edges of white to create more definition. So you'll see there's a tiny little white line surrounding the whole outside of the board. And then I spray painted the entire edge of the board in black again. And basically this is what it looked like once I removed the tape, and I thought it looks pretty good. It's not perfect, but it looks pretty good. And then I put the frame back on it, and basically that was it. So I hope this video helps someone out there, and I hope you have fun doing your own projects. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask or comment and like. Thank you.